October 28th, 2022. Daily Bread. Passage Psalm chapter 126, verse 1 through verse 6. Key verse 4. Title: God the Restorer. When the Lord restored the fortunes of Zion, we were like those who dreamed. Our mouths were filled with laughter, our tongues with songs of joy. Then it was said among the nations, "The Lord has done great things for them." The Lord has done great things for us, and we are filled with joy. Restore our fortunes, Lord, like streams in the Negev. Those who sow with tears will reap with songs of joy. Those who go out weeping, carrying seed to sow, will return with songs of joy, carrying sheaves with them. Daily Bread Message. The Psalmist recalls a time of great joy in the past, when God restored the fortunes of his people, probably when he brought them back from the Babylonian captivity. They were so happy it felt like they were dreaming. Sometimes, when we have a long period of struggle, we can feel like restoration isn't possible. But God can and does restore his people. If God can bring Israel back from exile in a distant country, he can restore us as well. When we take time to remember a joyful time when God restored us before, our faith can be renewed, and we can remember that God intends to give us joy. In fact, this psalm was written when things were difficult for Israel. There were many tears flowing in the land. The psalmist prays earnestly for God to restore them again. Through his people's suffering, he received a great spiritual insight. When our tears go up to God as prayer, they are actually sowing the seeds of great joy in the future. Prayer. Father, thank you for the joyful restoration you have given me, especially my salvation in Jesus. Help me sow prayer patiently in times of suffering and believe in your restoring power. One word: sow in tears, reap in joy.